Welcome back to the Adore Beauty YouTube channel. My name is Amy Clark. I'm the senior editor here. Today we are talking all about skin types. I actually don't recommend spending any money on any skincare products until you know what your skin type is. The other reason we are talking about skin types is because we have a really exciting announcement. Drum roll! We are launching the Skincare School podcast! Woohoo! Over 12 weeks, you have myself and Dr. Michelle Wong, aka Lab Muffin Beauty Science, in your ears, taking you through everything you could ever possibly want to know about skincare. I feel like a lot of us say, oh, my skin's really sensitive, or I have sensitive skin, but it's not actually a skin type, is it?
So some people do have properly sensitive skin in terms of their genetics, so they're just more predisposed. These days, a lot of us accidentally make our skin temporarily sensitive.
No phones in class! So, why do you need to know your skin type before buying products? Basically, your skin type is like a roadmap of your skin. It's like, if we're building the house here, before we can get into the mansion with all our fancy products, we need to lay the foundation, and the foundation is your skin type, because it's basically like a DNA profile or your skin's personality. Once you know how your skin behaves and what it likes and what it doesn't like, then you can go ahead and find the best products to suit those concerns. Another way to think about skin types is it's basically just a sliding scale of how much oil your skin naturally produces. So for example, for dry skin, you don't produce enough oil, but oily skin produces too much. So we're gonna figure out where on this oily scale you sit. Skin type number 1, normal skin. Now I wanna say normal in quotation marks because every skin type is normal. We've all got our unique skin type. You don't need to strive to have normal skin. So what is normal skin? Basically, it's the Goldilocks of skin types. It's not too oily, not too dry. Your skin probably doesn't bother you too much, and you might have not even really gotten into skincare that much. There's actually not really much going on, so let's just go to the next one. Skin type number 2, dry. So I have dry skin, so I feel like I can speak from personal experience. Dry skin means that you have a lack of oil in the skin. So your skin naturally doesn't produce enough oil to keep your skin barrier nice and healthy. And a healthy skin barrier, basically it helps with everything from skin tone and texture to the appearance of pores and the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So if you have dry skin, you might feel like your skin is flaky, it gets a bit red, it has that tight, stripped feeling after you've cleansed. My skin is perpetually thirsty. I could drink 10 liters of water a day and it's still gonna just keep drinking it up. So if we go back to that analogy of skin types being how much oil you produce, dry skin is like trying to fry an egg in a fry pan with no oil. It's just burning, it's smoking. You just need more oil. Skin type number 3 is oily skin. So this is basically on the other end of the spectrum, and oily skin actually produces more oil than necessary. Sometimes people who have oily skin feel like they could maybe fry an egg on their forehead. You might find that during the day, your nose and T-zone and chin become shiny. Maybe your foundation separates. You might feel like you need a towel off because there's just that much oil going on. But essentially, your skin naturally produces too much oil. And finally, number 4 is combination skin. So, as the name suggests, you are a bit of both. Think of combination skin like the Gemini of skin types. You might find that you are oily across the T-zone, the chin, the forehead, but dry and parched across the cheeks. So basically you just get the best of both worlds. It's really fun. So how do you find out what your skin type is? Well, that's the $1 million question. Basically, you want to think about how your skin looks and feels most of the time. So obviously there's all sorts of things going on in your day, the environment, maybe you work in an office and you've got aircon, how your hormones are playing up, all these different things can affect how your skin looks and feels. So if most of the time you find that your skin just feels really dry and thirsty and it's slurping everything up, then you probably have dry skin. On the other side, if you find that your T-zone is like an oil slick 20 minutes after you've done your foundation, or you normally feel like you have more enlarged pores, then you probably have oily skin. But if your skin is kind of acting all over the place, one day she's dry, one day she's oily, and we've got no idea what's going on, what you want to do is strip your routine right back to the basics: cleanser, moisturizer, and sunscreen. Do this for 30 days, wait for your skin barrier to reset, and then hopefully your true skin type will emerge. So, what about sensitive skin, I hear you say? Fact, sensitive skin isn't actually a skin type. It's more of a skin condition or a skin state that happens because of other factors. So if a family member has a sensitive skin condition like rosacea or dermatitis, then it might be more of your skin type. But often sensitive skin, we actually do it to ourselves by using too many actives, impairing our skin barrier, or even things like living in a humid climate or eating spicy food or smelling fragrances can all cause our skin to react and become sensitized. So that is your quick and dirty guide to skin types. I'll see you in your ears on the Skincare School podcast, and catch you next time.